What's up, fam? It's your girl Ike here. So I tried to do a live, but there's so much hate, and it didn't work anyway. I wasn't feeling well today, but I wanted to jump on here because I got a call about the Supreme Court decision, and I just want to make sure everybody is clear. Okay? The Supreme Court came out with a decision today. They finally ruled on a case that had been pending that involved whether or not New York's gun permit licensing regimen was constitutional. So what does that mean? Some people try to apply for a gun license. They want to conceal carry, and New York at before this legislation, this case started, New York required if you wanted a concealed carry permit that you had to demonstrate that you have proper cause, right? You can't just be a regular old person. You either have been threatened or you're in a particular line of work that causes you to be threatened or things of that nature, right? So you had to demonstrate a proper cause. So basically, the applicants sued. They sued New York, and the case went all the way to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court said that New York's licensing requirement is unconstitutional. To require someone to have to demonstrate a proper cause is more than what's necessary for you to exercise a constitutional right. The Supreme Court now, oddly enough, has recognized that there is an individual right to possess a firearm, even though that text is not in the Supreme Court, and they're supposed to be, it's not in the Constitution, and they're supposed to be strict constitutional, textualists and all of this. It's like mind-boggling. They can make up the shit that they want to make up to support the shit they want to support. But I'm for this, though, because I'm in New York, and applying for a gun license is a years-long process in New York, and that's just to get the hunting and target license, which does not allow you to conceal carry. What this now does is strikes down New York's requirement to demonstrate proper cause. What is now done is converted New York from a may issue state to a shall issue state, meaning that if there is no other bar to you being licensed, like you're not a criminal, you have good moral character, you don't have a history of mental illness, they can still have those requirements, but they can't require some arbitrary showing of whatever proper cause is, which was never really defined by New York. So that's what that means. It doesn't mean you can go carry a gun illegally. That's still against the law, and it doesn't invalidate the penal law. That's still valid, and you cannot possess an illegal firearm. If you don't have a permit for that gun, it is an illegal gun, okay? The law has not changed in New York. You cannot carry a firearm unless you have a license, all right? So go get a license, all right? Because now, as long as you're a law-abiding citizen, you have the right to carry a firearm for self-defense. That's what the Supreme Court said. Go apply now. Not now, right now, because you won't be able to get a gun for like a year or two, right? So, but you want to go. Now, for the people that are holding those target and hunting licenses, all you got to do is contact the licensing authority and tell them you'd like to change it to a concealed carry now, and they pretty much have to do that, all right? So, gonna be a lot more people legally carrying concealed firearms in New York now. Let's see if that makes a change. I doubt it, but we gonna see. It's your girl here. It's your girl Ike here. Having a hard day, y'all. But I love y'all. I really do. Peace.